Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today you're about to witness something that will completely change the way you think about motorhomes. Imagine a legendary Kenworth T2000 truck, but not just any truck. This one has been transformed into a $3 million rolling luxury mansion. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just transportation, it's pure lifestyle on wheels. Step inside with me, because the moment you enter, it feels less like a vehicle and more like walking into a high-end penthouse. The interior is wrapped in handcrafted leather, polished wood finishes, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood for every journey. Let's talk about the living area first. You're greeted by a spacious lounge with ultra-soft recliners and a massive 4K smart TV mounted on the wall. It's designed not just for travel, but for entertainment, relaxation, and even family movie nights on the road. Moving into the kitchen, this is where it gets even more insane. Full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, and premium stone countertops that rival luxury apartments in the city. The table and seating arrangement make it feel like home, not a motorhome. Now the bedroom. This is what makes the T2000 Motorhome stand out. A king-size bed with hotel-style bedding, panoramic windows for breathtaking views, and smart climate control to keep everything perfect no matter the weather outside. The bathroom? Forget cramped RV bathrooms. This one comes with a walk-in shower, LED mirrors, modern fixtures, and luxury detailing that makes you forget you're inside a truck at all. And of course the tech, voice-controlled systems, solar-powered energy backup, and full smart home integration. You can literally control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a single touch or voice command. On the road, the Kenworth T2000 still delivers the power and reliability it's famous for, but now it's paired with luxury and innovation that puts it in a league of its own. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. A home, a hotel, and a dream all rolled into one powerful machine. So what do you think? Would you spend $3 million on a motorhome that gives you the best of both trucking power and ultimate luxury living? Stay tuned, because here at Auto Plus, we bring you the most jaw-dropping vehicles in the world. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next masterpiece on wheels.